Hi everyone, my name is Julianne and I'm a medical student here at the University of Leicester. In this short video, I'm going to be talking to you about my experiences as a black person at university, the societies and the extracurricular opportunities that we have here at the University of Leicester, as well as who my role model is as a black person, like who encourages me, who inspires me, and some advice for you prospective students, like why you should come to the University of Leicester and why you should go to university. So university is a fantastic opportunity to not only learn about your chosen course, but also to grow as a person. You come in, you're 18, you're 19, you're 20, you're fresh out of school after a gap year or working, and you really learn a lot about yourself. Personal development is really something that you learn and should cherish, and you should work towards whilst you're at university. Being black at the university does have its benefits and has its challenges. I obviously love being black, but sometimes you go to certain courses that are more dominated by one race than other, so you're sometimes in places where you might be the only black person, which is great because you're there, you're being diverse, you're championing our culture and our community and our blackness. But the reverse of that is that people can also call you, like you be the black person for them, or being the only black voice, or you representing the whole community, which is just not true because there's just so much diversity within being black anyway. People come from all sorts of places as well. So I'm from London, and London is very diverse. It has a whole lot of different cultures and races and stuff in it, but a lot of other people come from like small villages where you might truly be one of the first black people that they have had like a sort of conversation with. And that is beautiful. Like you can have great conversations, exchange and learn about your upbringing, their upbringing, but sometimes people can come with ignorant comments or say things that are actually microaggressions. But you as a black person, and you as a person with a strong voice and an important voice and a voice that matters, you should then have the opportunity to tell them, hey, actually, can you not touch my hair? I don't like that. Or hey, can you not say that stereotype because that's actually not true and that's offensive to me. So it's great because, like I said, university is all about learning. So you learn about yourself, you learn about your confidence, and then you also learn how to speak out and learn how to say no and learn how to educate other people on the things that matter to you. One of the most amazing things about university is the societies that they have. So there's so many societies, ranging from tennis society to cooking society. It doesn't really matter, and the great thing about it is that if there's a society there that you don't like, you would want to be there, or you don't find there, you can create one. But as a black person, there's plethora. There's just literally so many societies you can be a part of. There's ACS society, there's Ghanaian society, there's West Indian society, there's East African society, and these places are great places to come and meet other people from the same background as you. Because like I was saying before, that it's great being a black person, it's great being diverse and being part of diversity, but sometimes you just want to be around people that get it, that you don't always have to explain yourself to, or people that you can banter about, like how your mum tells you to go and cook this, or how your dad tells you to go do that, those sort of things. So you can just have a bit of a laugh about that. And it's also a great place to showcase our culture and express it and champion it. ACS does a whole range of events, currently doing Black History Month, as you said, so talking about black leaders, talking about how to deal with racial trauma, so literally a range of things. And also within these societies, they can also link you to other like worldwide or like nationwide programs which can give you mentorship, so black leaders in law or in technology or in banking, like you can connect with them and do some networking with them so that they can help you with your own career journey, which is fantastic, right? Like we're actually being able to encourage our own people to be excellent, because we are excellent people and we can express and we bring something unique to the table. So that is one of the best things about university. So I would highly encourage you guys that when you come to university to really get involved and stuck in, because even like I said, ACS is African Caribbean Society. You have people from so many different nations and so many different countries that you'll learn so much just from being in that one society, which is absolutely fantastic. So definitely is a number one thing to do. After obviously you're doing your degree, that's first, but secondly is to get involved with these societies and make your mark and try something new. Like I don't really know how to dance properly, but I got involved with the dance society, so I was able to embrace my culture and do something fun and meet new people. So definitely would encourage you to do that. How could I even forget? So within departments, there's also societies specifically for Black people or BAME people within those departments. So for example, newly created in the medical school, they have an ACS for Black medics. And this society will be specifically for Black people to be able to share their experiences and learn and grow about being a Black person within healthcare. So this is not unique to just medicine. As I said, you can be in the law department, there might be a Black law department. So these are also great opportunities and great societies that you should join, so that, again, that you can be connecting with people and giving support to people and getting support from that, and really making sure that you're supported throughout the university experience. So when asked about who my role model or inspiration will be, I literally have to be that person that will say my parents. I am so thankful for all that they've done for me. I am a first generation Black British, Black African, Black Ghanaian woman, and all that my parents did, from coming from Ghana, from working hard, from perseverance, from endurance, that they were able to set the foundation that me and my siblings had, to be able to come to university, to be able to live the life that we live, and to be able to achieve the goals that we wanted to achieve because of the foundation that they set out for us. I'm really, really proud and love them so much, and very much inspired by all that they've done. But I also have to say there's all the people that have really inputted into my life, from my teachers, to my pastors, to people that I've met on my gap year, those sort of people that have been able to instill in me confidence and help me grow and help me see who I am and help me walk towards purpose. They're literally so inspiring. So also women who have paved the way for us, who have been able to battle the inequalities and get us a step further into becoming more equal society. I would definitely say I'm inspired by them as well. So yeah, I have a lot of inspirations, and I hope to be inspirational to the younger generation as well. So what I've been given, I also want to give to other people. This brings us to the final question of this short little video, and it's just about advice for you prospective students. So as I said, university is a fantastic opportunity. It's a great place to broaden your horizons and to really learn and try new things. So my first top tip is to really step out of your comfort zone. Most of you will be leaving home and not staying at home, which is already one big step, which is great and fantastic. But also look for these societies, look for different things that you're like, oh, maybe I wanted to try this, but never had the opportunity to. Go to those societies. Number 2, make friends with people that are not like you. Diversify your friendship circle. Don't only have friends that are from the same background, have the same life experiences, but chat to the international students, chat to people that live up north, chat to people that come from down south, and learn about them, because that's really truly how you can grow in your communication skills, grow in your interpersonal skills, and make you become a more well-rounded person. Another tip is to stay connected. You guys have made some great friends in sixth form and school. Sometimes it's hard to keep those friendships up, but I still believe that you should try to. Naturally, some of them will drift, but I still believe that you should be able to try and keep in touch with them, check up on them when we're allowed to visit each other, and post-COVID, go and see them in their universities, bring them to Leicester, and have a great time with them here. Another tip that I would say to you is to also look after your mental health. Coming to uni can be overwhelming, but don't forget about all the wonderful support systems we have here. So we have pastoral care, we have student support, where you can literally talk to them from a range of things, to being worried about how much money you have in the account, to being worried about your housemates, or being worried about where you'll live after first year when you're outside of halls, or being worried about your future. Anything and everything, you can come and talk to them and they can advise you and help you, because they really want you to thrive at university. Budget your money. Guys, don't be going into overdraft. That's really a bad pathway to go down. Make sure you're using your money wisely on food and for social things and for necessities that you need. Don't try not to spend extravagantly, that you don't have enough money to last you the whole period until the next student loan drops. Also, get involved in extracurricular activities. The university does some things that are within the community that are great for you to get involved in, such as food banks or feeding the homeless or volunteering at a children's centre. These are great things to help you grow personally and also to diversify your life experiences. And who knows who you're going to meet, you're going to get some great relationships out of that. And finally, guys, I'd say don't forget about your family, don't forget about your parents. Call them once in a while because they'll miss you and they love you, so make sure you keep in contact with them. So that's the end. I hope you've enjoyed listening to this video, and I wish you a very happy Black History Month.